Woodfibre, originally Britannia West, was a pulp mill and at one time a small town on the west side of Upper Howe Sound near Squamish, British Columbia. The mill closed in March 2006. History. In 1912, a mill opened at the site where Mill Creek empties into Howe Sound. The town site of Woodfibre was soon constructed at the remote location, which was accessible only by boat. Until the 1960s, whole families lived, worked and were partially educated at Woodfibre. At that time, the town site began to be demolished and families moved to other nearby communities such as Squamish and Britannia Beach. Mill owner Western Forest Products provided ferry service by way of the MV Garibaldi to an identical design to smaller BC ferries until the mill's closure in 2006. In January 2013, Western Forest Products announced that it has entered into a conditional agreement for the sale of its former Woodfibre pulp mill site for the purchase price of $25.5 million. The site, consisting of 212 acres of industrial waterfront land, is located at the head of Howe Sound, southwest of Squamish, British Columbia. The net proceeds from the sale are expected to be approximately $17 million. In 2015, the site is undergoing an environmental assessment for use as a liquefied natural gas plant. That was approved in 2016 and Woodfibre LNG receive an export license as well. The $1.6 billion LNG plant is expected to be operational by 2020. Hydroelectric dam. In operation since 1947, it generates 2.6 MW of electricity with a single Pelton wheel. See also. Darrell Day. References. External links. MV Garibaldi 2 Ferry History. Aerial view of Woodfibre, Mount Elphinstone in background from Randall and Katz Flying Photos website. 1.